Hey there, future financial gurus. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of personal finance. But don't worry, we're keeping it light, fun, and full of laughs, because who says managing money can't be hilarious? First up, let's talk budgeting. Yep, the B word. Budgeting might sound as exciting as watching paint dry, but it's actually your best friend. Think of it as a map to your financial treasure. Without it, you're just a pirate with no clue where the gold is buried. Start by listing your income and expenses. Be honest. If you're spending $50 a week on fancy coffee, write it down. The goal is to see where your money is going and find areas to cut back. Maybe swap that daily latte for a home-brewed cup of joe. Your wallet will thank you. Next, let's talk savings. Think of savings as your financial safety net. You never know when life will throw a banana peel your way. Now, set up an emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. And yes, I know it sounds tough, but start small. Even putting aside $10 a week can add up. It's like building a snowman, one tiny snowball at a time. Now let's tackle the scary monster in the room, debt. Debt can feel like that clingy ex who just won't go away. But don't worry, you can break up with debt. First, understand your debt. List out all your debts, the interest rates, and the minimum payments. Then pick a strategy. You can go for the avalanche method, where you tackle the highest interest debt first, or the snowball method, where you pay off the smallest debts first for a quick win. Either way, make a plan and stick to it. Let's move on to investing. Investing is like planting a money tree. It takes time, but eventually it bears fruit. Start with the basics: stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. If you're a newbie, consider using robo-advisors or apps that make investing easy. And remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint, so be patient and let your money grow. Finally, let's talk about cutting costs. This doesn't mean you have to live like a monk. It's about making smart choices. Look for deals, use coupons, and don't be afraid to negotiate. Cancel subscriptions you don't use, and try cooking at home more often. Every little bit helps. And there you have it, folks. Personal finance doesn't have to be a snooze fest. With a little planning and some smart choices, you can be on your way to financial freedom. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future tips. And remember, managing money is fun when you're making it rain. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.